Hi friends, I am Shubh and you are watching SR700 Tech. Today I am doing the unboxing of both headphones, so let's get started. On the front side of the box, the model number of headphone is written, Base Heads 900. And one highlighted feature is also written, Super Extra Bar. At the back side of the box, you can see some highlighted features are mentioned. Super Extra Bass, 1 button microphone, feather light, hands-free pickup and foldable. First we have to take out this outer cover. Then we have to open the box. After opening the box, we get both headphone itself and one warranty card. So let us talk about the headphones. So the headphones are foldable and easy to carry while traveling. As you see that. You can rotate this. At the top side of the headphone, you get some foam-like material, which is very soft. You can adjust your headphone according to your head. The headphone is made up of good quality of plastic, and at this part of the headphone is made up of metal. The wire of this headphone is little bit thick and you get one microphone on it. The length of wire is extremely good. As you see that. At the end of the wire, you get one 3.5 mm headphone jack. The build quality is very premium. On this microphone, you get one button which has multiple uses. This button is used for receiving calls and cancelling calls. If you press it once, then the music will play. And if you press it again, then the music will stop. If you press it twice, then the next song will play. If you press it thrice, then previous song will play. After listening to the songs from 1 hour, I observed that the sound quality and the bass quality of this headphone is extremely good. So thank you friends for watching my video. I hope you like the video. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.